Module 5, Control Structures. Welcome to Beidat IT Training. In Module 5, we'll focus on control structures in JavaScript. You'll learn how to use conditional statements and loops to manage the flow of your programs. For example, an if-else statement. HTML. Script. Let age equals 20. If age greater than or equal to 18. Console.log, adult. Else. Console.log, minor. /script. ENA for loop. HTML. Script. For, let I equals 0, I less than 5, I++. Console.log, I. /script. Exercises will help you practice using control structures, and a lab project will guide you in developing a script that uses various control structures. An interactive quiz will reinforce your learning. By the end of this module, you'll be able to manage the flow of your programs using control structures. Let's master control structures.